Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change Fusion comp resolution in Davinci Resolve. This is really useful when you need to work with a specific resolution that's different from your timeline settings, giving you more control over your compositions. First things first, open your Davinci Resolve application and make sure you have your project loaded. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on Fusion. This will take you to the Fusion page where you can work with nodes and create complex compositions. Now, here's where we start building the resolution setup. Press Control-Space on your keyboard. This will open up a search bar where you can quickly find any node you need. Type in background and you'll see it appear in the results. Click on it, then click Add to place it in your node editor. This background node will serve as the foundation for your custom resolution. Next, click on the background node you just added to select it. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Inspector panel. Click on Inspector to open it up. This panel is where you'll access all the properties and settings for whatever node you have selected. In the Inspector, you'll see various parameters you can adjust. Look for the setting labeled Alpha and change its value to 0. This ensures the background doesn't interfere with your actual content and remains transparent. Still in the Inspector, click on the Image section. Here you'll notice a checkbox labeled Auto Resolution. Go ahead and uncheck this option. By turning off auto resolution, you're taking manual control over the dimensions of your composition. Now you can change the width and height values to whatever you prefer. This is where you set your custom resolution. Whether you need a specific size for social media, a different aspect ratio, or any other custom dimension, you can input those numbers here. With your background node configured, press Control-Space on your keyboard again to open the search bar. This time type in Merge and click Add. The Merge node is essential because it's what will combine your background with your actual footage. Now we need to connect everything properly. First, connect the background node to the Merge node, then connect the Media In node to the Merge node as well. Finally, connect the Merge node to the Media Out. This creates a complete flow where your custom resolution background combines with your footage and outputs correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Fusion comp resolution in Davinci Resolve, giving you complete control over your composition dimensions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.